If you're looking to switch from sales to business analysis, then keep watching this video. Transition to a new career can be very daunting, but we're here to make it that much more easy for you. We'll discuss the challenges you might face and why structured guidance is crucial and how a Transform Learning Academy can help. Plus, we'll also uncover the transferable skills you already have from sales and how to use them to your advantage. Now, switching from a sales role to a business analyst position, it can feel very overwhelming. You might be wondering, where do I even start? Well, let's discuss some of the common struggles you might encounter if you decide to go it alone. Now, firstly, there's a challenge of acquiring new skills. Sales and business analysis require very different yet similar skills. While you might excel at closing deals and managing client relationships, business analysis demands a solid grasp of data, processes, and IT systems. Next, translating your sales experience into business analysis terms, it can be quite tricky. I mean, how do you go about convincing a potential employer that your sales background is relevant to a business analysis role? This is the common hurdle that many people face. Now, without a structured approach, it's easy to get lost. You might spend hours searching for resources online, only to find conflicting advice or information that doesn't even fit your situation. It can be incredibly frustrating and very time-consuming. Another major challenge is the lack of direct experience in business analysis. You might have extensive experience in sales, but how do you effectively showcase your transferable skills? Skills like problem solving, communication, analytical skills, and understanding customers' needs. I mean, that's crucial in both fields. In sales, you analyze customer data to improve strategies. In business analysis, you analyze business data to enhance processes. Your ability to understand and address customer needs can translate into defining business requirements, and your lack of communication, that can be used to negotiate and close deals. Whereas in business analysis, this is just as valuable in articulating technical information to stakeholders. This is where structured guidance comes in. Having a clear step-by-step plan can make all the difference in your transition. But why is structured guidance so important? Firstly, look, it saves you a hell of a lot of time. Instead of going through endless information, you get a clear roadmap tailored to your needs. Secondly, it builds your confidence. Knowing that you're following a proven path reduces uncertainty and boosts your confidence. You'll know exactly what skills to focus on and how to present your sales experience in a way that appeals to business analysis employers. Thirdly, it provides support and accountability. Having a mentor or a structured program, it just means you're not alone. You'll have someone to guide you, answer your questions, and just keep you on track. Now guys, my name is Shaz Shafiq. I'm a tech career coach at Transform Learning Academy. We specialize in helping professionals like you transition into business analysis roles. And here's how we do it. We have a program, it's a 3-phase program, and it starts with a comprehensive assessment to understand your current skills and experience. We then create a personalized learning plan that focuses on the key areas you need to develop. You will have access to a range of resources where it starts from an initial 2-day live business analysis webinar, and you get access to our video training portal. These are designed to build your business analysis knowledge step by step from the basics all the way to more advanced concepts. You'll also get accountability, which is a core part of our program. You'll be mentored by experienced tutors who will provide full guidance, helping you navigate any challenges and stay motivated. We'll also place you on a 3-month fixed-term contract working as a business analyst part-time for a national client. This hands-on experience is invaluable for building your confidence and demonstrating your skill set to potential employers. By the end of the work experience, you will have an employer reference to showcase to other prospective employers. Finally, we provide recruitment support, including resume reviews, optimizing your LinkedIn profile, interview preparation, and networking opportunities. Our goal ultimately is to equip you with everything you need to secure a business analyst position. Now, here's a case study of a student who effectively followed our program and transitioned from a sales role to becoming a remote business analyst within a few months of joining us. This student leveraged our structured guidance, utilized the resources and mentorship provided, and successfully showcased their transferable skills. Their journey is a true testament to what's possible with the right support. Here it is.
Prior to joining TLA, I think I spoke to Raj on the phone. I was like, but I've got 3 degrees, man. How can I not get a job? He's like, don't worry, we'll sort you out. But business analysis is something that I've always been kind of interested in from the beginning. Yeah, I think it was 2019, 2020-ish when I found the business analysis, the TLA. Honestly, TLA was the first that came. And first thing I think a lot of people do is they just go through to the reviews, you know. The reviews really tell you if it's a good or bad thing. And I think it's, 5-star reviews on Trustpilot? Yeah. So you can't say no to that, you know. I mean, there probably is other courses out there. There probably is, half the price or, I don't know, 50 quid or something. I don't know. I didn't really look into it. But the thing is, the amount that you pay for this course, what you get back is actually a lot worth it. You know, like there's never been a time where I've contacted someone and said, I need help with my CV, and they haven't helped, or they haven't said, okay, we'll sort your CV out in the next call. Or even like with interviews, I spoke to Raj. I was like, look, I'm getting the interview, but I'm not getting anywhere. What do I do? And he set me up with Sagar, one-to-one coach. The guy is just like, his thought process is completely different. I guess since I started working at McDonald's, this was a long time ago. My minimum wage back then was £3.75. But with McDonald's, it kind of taught me that everything is a process, and business analysis is the same. It's a process that you follow to get to your end goal or whatever you want to achieve.
What tip would you give to all those that are currently looking for roles right now?
Don't give up, man. It's hard. It's difficult. It is disheartening when you put in like 30 minutes just for one application only to get a rejection email like the next day. You know, it is disheartening. I get it. Manifest it. That's all I'm going to say. If you just think, okay, in 6 months, I'm going to have this job that's going to help me become X, Y, and Z in the future, you will have that job in 6 months. But you have to actually believe it, not just be like, yeah, I might have the job, or maybe, you know, like if you actually believe it in that sense. People say manifesting is a weird kind of thing, like, but it does happen. My main focus in 2024 was just get a new job, get a new car, and get a new flat. And I've got one down, two to go, basically, you know? So the main thing is obviously get a good job so you can pay for the car and the flat. So focus on that one first, you know?
Yeah, no, it's actually really, really good where you said transition from sales to business analysis is a big step, but with the right guidance, it's absolutely achievable. At Transform Academy, we're here to support you every single step of the way. If you're ready to make that change, visit our website and book a call to speak with our team to learn more and get started. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to helping you succeed in your new career as a business analyst. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and guidance on your career journey.